How to change the default messaging app on Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to switch between Google Messages and Samsung Messages on your Android device. First, open the Settings application on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Now, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Tap on Choose Default Apps from the menu. You'll see different default app categories displayed. Look for SMS app or messaging app in the list. Moving forward, tap on SMS app to change your default messaging application. You'll see all available messaging apps on your device. Options include Messages, Google Messages, and Samsung Messages. Tap on Samsung Messages if you want to switch from Google Messages, or tap on Messages if you want to use Google Messages as default. Afterwards, a confirmation may appear asking you to confirm the change. Tap OK or Set as Default to confirm your selection. Your default messaging app is now changed. All new text messages and SMS will now open in your selected messaging app. You can switch back anytime by following the same steps. Go to your home screen and open the messaging app icon. It will now open the app you just set as default. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you change default messaging app on Samsung, give it a like, subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.